Facts.
About if you haven't heard, if you're not a real estate nerd like us, there's been some major
NAR. What does that even mean?
National Association of Realtors.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta say tours.
Oh.
But there's been a class action lawsuit against, as well as some major real estate brokerages, and really this has been going on for 4 to 5 years.
Yes.
It just kind of finally came to a head around Halloween of last year.
Yep.
And
the first settlement happened, right?
Well, that wasn't the settlement. That was the verdict.
Oh, okay.
That was an actual lawsuit. That
by the way, you are going to lose, and then they were like,
well,
okay.
they lost.
And so they paid.
And they did not pay, because then there was the damages portion of the verdict, right? Like
Okay.
they were like, it was ruled that yes, you were guilty of whatever the accusations were.
Makes sense. Yes.
And now there's the time period before you figure out what the damages are. There's a chance to appeal and all that legal
jargon.
I know there's steps and processes that we probably should brought David up.
But there's a lot of information. Yeah, there's a lot of information that it's hard to like sift through, and we're here to sift through that stuff.
Yeah.
And really give you the honest truth of how can it impact you as a seller, because it will impact you as a realtor, a buyer, a seller, a loan officer. All those parties are going to be impacted through this.